My warmest greetings to all the graduates and completers of school year 2020-2021. This graduation and moving up ceremony is a culmination of our concerted efforts to recover as one department amidst the global pandemic. Despite the struggles we have faced in the education sector, we are blessed to witness an unfolding of a new beginning in the lives of our learners. Allow me to express my sincerest congratulations to this cohort of young, adaptive, and hardworking graduates and completers whose brilliance never flickers amid the troubles brought about by the pandemic. We are in this time of the year again where your merits and achievements are recognized for successfully surpassing a very challenging school year. Without a doubt, you have made sense of your purpose as learners by winning over difficulty and demand of our new educational system. Although some of you have encountered difficulties with the new learning modalities implemented, your perseverance and dedication to learning have helped you triumphant and overcome your newfound struggles. As you embark on your new adventure, never forget to use all the important lessons you have gained in this institution to better improve yourselves as functional members of the society. I am positive that the holistic training and lifelong competencies you have gained in this school will serve as your compass for a better tomorrow. Allow me to also thank the faculty and staff of the Tumauini National High School for working extremely hard to address the needs of learners. I have seen how you worked overtime just to finish reproducing, sorting, and delivering learning modules to each and every barangay in the municipality. With the onset of this pandemic, we were all together figuring out what to do, and you have helped me locate the missing puzzle to effectively trailblaze the systems of the new normal. I am proud to say that we have done our share in realizing this year's theme, strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Truly, your passion towards teaching made this school year possible. Lastly, I would like to give my utmost respect to the Department of Education higher authorities led by Secretary Leonor M. Briones for keeping an eye and giving relevant solutions to the problems encountered in schools. I also give my warmest thanks to the top management of the Department of Education Regional Office and Schools Division Office of Isabela, led by Regional Director Dr. Benamin D. Paragas, CESO 5, Assistant Regional Director Dr. Jesse L. Amin, CESO 5, and OIC Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Madeline L. Macalling, CESO 6. Indeed, your commitment to assist each and every school is beyond compare. Once again, thank you very much and congratulations.